When you're dealing with injury, it's kind of important to remember that you have to consider yourself a patient, which includes the word patience, which means one who suffers. It's an old Latin word. Being injured is not the same thing as being ill or having a condition or a temporary condition like the cold or the flu or a sickness. Being injured means that you have some healing to do. If it's a serious injury, there's a lot more than healing that has to occur. There has to be reconditioning and even therapeutic activities that help you nourish your body while you are suffering and a patient and going through patience and trying to recover. Once again, having a condition like an illness or a sickness is not the same thing, because this is something that has to do with a self-awareness, because the body can become affected by an injury, even if it's a mental condition that causes this to occur within you. Injuries that are from within, by the way, are a lot harder to pinpoint, to understand, to identify, and sometimes it's very difficult to express what the symptoms really are. Injuries lead to self-medicating. Sometimes self-medicating can be a healthy thing, sometimes it might not be. Substance abuse like alcohol or drugs, or even the psychological substance of sexual activity, can lead to bringing you down, putting you down, and promoting that you're not really interested in healing or recovering, or even that maybe you're not really injured. Some things that help people soar past these obstacles, because they do have to do with addiction issues that come from trying to deal with the pain because you're injured. Most people don't realize that there's an exhaustion that comes along with dealing with the pain, as well as trauma leads a lot of individuals to want to be isolated and alone, because when you think about it, when an animal faces trauma, the first thing that they do is go to an isolated corner and shake because of the trauma. The issue that we have is trying to remember that there are social groups or situations that can lead us to recover or help our healing or give us knowledge towards healing, and also that it does mean that you have to go through therapeutic processes or steps, or schedule something that gives you therapy and that it's consistent. So you have to live free or die hard by learning to heal deeply, and the biggest thing you got to do is look deep at your pain.